you do, whatever you take, whatever, everybody know who you are. Because you spread that one in here, in the whitey, so you cannot deny for. You are a fucking liar. You're very dramatic. Imagine, in reality, run out on the Philippines because they screaming afraid with the DSWD. They run for, that's why they not come over in the Philippines, because they know that somebody concerned citizen reported to them in the DSWD. I'm sure the DSWD can be filing a case about them. Right? Of what they're doing to the children. They not go to the school of the children. Instead, this year is go to the school. They not. They show to the children how to become a mistress. You know what? In the parents, this is the words the parents it say. Children follow what what they say. Don't follow what they do. But the big wallet telling to the children, don't follow what he say. Follow what he do. Sounds idiot, no? He telling that some of the people, you know what? I'm not go to their own channel, the garbage and the harem group. I'm not go there. What they doing? But some people, friend of them, they keeping telling on me through Facebook Messenger. I'm so thankful because someone said, Sis Kate, the big wallet said, you are a moron, you are this and that. Oh, he is the one moron. Look at his life, very worst. He had no property in the Philippines. And then he keeping said, oh, princess, poodle noodle. Jealousing me? Jealous on low class like you? With no educational to your child? A bad father and bad parents? Which one that I be jealous? With you. There's anything feeling like that way. About traveling? Oh, you're not rich. You're not a part of a top 10 in Philippine people that, you can see that top 10 people in the Philippines, rich people in the Philippines, you're not there. If I comparing you to Manny Pacquiao, you are not. Even the house for your mistress, you cannot build up. You just only rental. Oh my God. And then you're telling, you lose your mind. You know what? And then he's a liar, guys. You know, the big wallet is liar. Keeping said that he worked out in the gym. And then he posts the fake body that everybody thinking that he already like a good fitness. Even he's a fat man with no brain. Cannot teach the children to go to the school. He teach how to become a mistress. Imagine, guys, a father tell to the children that what kind of a name of a child on a mistress. The DSWD will be attack with you that way. What kind of that? And then in the ending, He only said to the children, whatever it takes, that is your new brother. Wow! New brother from the mistress. Very insulting to the wife, no? In a front of it, in a one house. It's okay to you that in the next door, in the next room, your husband and fucking sex each other on the mistress? It be okay to you? In the first place, guys, no? When the mistress came along first time for long years in from outside that OFW, the mistress is not meet the family first. He meet the married guy and go to the house together with the wife and telling to the children, this is your tita. The children confused. Why the tita is, the father is, their own daddy is in the inside of the room. Still tita? Then, maybe that is a plan for the mistress that to become have a baby from the married guy. Well, I know I'm sure 100% the children will be confused that. For now, the children cannot speak well. But in the right time, that one, I'm sure you aware those people who insulting you. Well, your own children in the right time will be insulting you. What you do? I assure you that you're not a perfect guy. You're an idiot. You know, the big wallet is really a lot of troll account. I know who's the owner of that. Those accounts that they stolen my live stream. They recording that one and then they put the what you call that, the troll account. You'd be surprised my later on my everything on it from the start until the recent. You can so I let to know to the people how they obsess on